Hey everyone, good morning. It's Tuesday morning. Wanted to give you a quick market update. Apologies for the voice. I am not feeling well. Evidently, I've gotten a cold from somewhere. But yeah, I just wanted to take a look here at the XRP chart and then also look at the overall rest of the market as well. We have several coins getting ready to break out. Just before I look at XRP, we have Stronghold that is looking really good. I expect more upside here on the daily as we get ready to break out into new highs for Stronghold. I have a target on Stronghold of above 80 cents for this market cycle. Supra is another one that I'm looking for its next leg up, probably to around 0.019 up here at that red line there. Flare is another one. Flare is actually in the process of putting in its fifth leg here of its initial one wave. So I'm expecting some strong upside on Flare today. Fartcoin is continuing to look strong. Excuse me. VELO is looking good as well. And several others. Extellar, Tellor. Yeah, they're all looking good. Bitcoin dominance is continuing to drop. We're seeing a little bit of a bounce here, but it's just going to be a relief rally before further downside for Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin is getting ready for its next leg up here, so it's showing some strength, so that's a good sign. So yeah, back to XRP just briefly. Everything continues to look good here. Over the last several days, we've had some chop here at this old all-time high, but we've not been closing below 340, which is great. That's a good sign. So everything is holding above 340, and we continue to get ready for our next leg up here, either to 536 or 712. That's where I'll be looking for the midterm pivot, because that will then give us where the top is going to be. And I'll explain to you how I can know that with a pretty good amount of accuracy based on fib levels and how we compare those to past cycles. So, yeah, everything on the daily is looking great. I did want to point out the RSI. I've seen a lot of statements about how, the RSI on the daily is already overbought, and which means that we're going to have a reversal soon. I guess all I want to do is just point you back to, say, November of last year, when the RSI was already overbought at 71 cents. But we kept going all the way to 275 and then ultimately to 340 before we, went sideways for 7 months. So this was already showing overbought, which is about at the levels that we're currently at on November the 12th. And we kept running all the way to December the 3rd. So RSI on the daily can show overbought for many, many days, and that's not going to be a sign of weakening until several days later, right? So again, even coming down here to the MACD started to show a little bit of weakness there, but we kept running. So I don't think we have anything to worry about at this point on the daily. Even on the weekly, we're looking great. We just had the crossover on the MACD on the weekly last week, and of course it's confirming this week, and we still have a lot of room on the RSI for the weekly. Excuse me, coming down here to the 6 hour. Everything's looking great here on the 6 hour. Not really worried about that at all. 4 hour, looking good. We continue to hold all the MAs as support. 2 hour, we're holding all the MAs as support on the 2 hour for now. We did test this 50 on the EMA on the 2 hour here for a couple of candles, but looking good there. 1 hour, again, as long as we stay near this 1 hour 50 EMA, the purple line, I think we're good. You can go all the way back to the November breakout of 2024 and see that in that move we held that 50 EMA on the hourly. So yeah, everything's looking good. I would hope that in the next 1 to 2 days we start to break out above 367. So, yeah, everything's looking great. And as you can tell, the more I talk, the less I'm able to talk. So I won't be making a lot of videos here except for my daily video if I can. My voice is just shot, but hope everyone has a great morning. and a great rest of your week. Just keep an eye on the charts. And again, don't try to overtrade. Their goal here, the market maker's goal here, is to just chop you out and to scare you out and to get you to go ahead and sell, making you think that this is weak and then it's going to roll over and fall. But so far, we're looking great. All these other coins are starting to pop off. So that's also a good sign. We're just getting some rotation plays right now. But yeah, looking forward for XRP to start making its march towards 530 and or 712 in the coming days. We'll talk soon. Thanks, guys.